I just stumbled upon this very interesting TTS model, Lux TTS, which is a lightweight text to speech model based on Zipvoice, which is a diffusion based TTS architecture that has been distilled down to 4 steps for faster inference. In this video, we are going to install this model on CPU and we are going to test it out. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. Please like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member. Please also follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. Coming back to this model, the model focuses on voice cloning and generates around 48 kHz audio, which is higher than the 24 kHz output common in many TTS systems. This model achieves competitive voice cloning results while being significantly smaller than comparable models. So you can, I think, easily fit in around 1 GB of RAM or VRAM, but we will check it out how much it consumes. I'm going to use this Ubuntu system, though I have a GPU, which is this one. I'm just going to use it on the CPU. But if you're looking to rent a GPU or CPU or VM on very affordable price, you can find the link to Mass Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for a range of GPUs. Okay, so next up, and you can see that I have just created my virtual environment. Let's git clone the repo of this, and I will drop the link to it in video's description so you can also play around. And now let's install all the requirements from the root of the repo. And now let me launch my Gradio demo. And the first time when you run this, it also downloads the model, which is very lightweight. And you can see that now it is running on our local system, this localhost 7860, and there you go. So our local voice cloning is now running. Let's do the some text, and then I'm going to upload an audio from my local system. Okay, for that, I'm just going to give it this joke in English. Now, I know that this might not really make sense in English, but if you're a French speaker, then you know what this joke is, and I would let you describe it in the comments. Anyway, so the voice, let me play the original one. Joy is found in simple moments of gratitude, and true contentment comes when we truly value the small blessings we already have in life. So this is what the voice I want to clone. So I'll just go down. I will just keep all of these parameters as is. I will explain them to you shortly. Let's generate speech. And meanwhile, let me also show you the VRAM consumption. You see there is nothing happening here. So if I run the top command, you can see that this is my CPU. Hardly it is being consumed. And if I show you my memory, nothing is being used. So under let's say 1 gig, you can go with it. So let it run. I will also tell you how long did it take to synthesize this. There you go. So 12 seconds. Let me play this.
A man goes to the doctor and says, "Doctor, I think I'm a bridge." The doctor replies, "What's come over you?" The man says, "So far, two cars and a truck."
Okay, so now text synthesis is quite good, but I think voice cloning is not there. I have to be fair. And this TTS thing has evolved a lot. We just saw Quen 3 and then a lot of other TTS models coming through, which are far better. So maybe um, this could be a good learning exercise, especially with the zip voice. But I think the cloning is not there, especially with this audio. But you know what, let's give it one more audio. But this audio, I have to be fair to that this is not as good as this one which I'm going to upload now. Also, it is just English. It doesn't support any other language, so I'm just going to go, where is the English one? This is English. Let me play it.
State of mind that can be cultivated is a fleeting feeling that can be found in life's simplest moments. A warm conversation with a loved one, a beautiful sunset, or a good cup of coffee can instantly.
So you see, this audio is much better in quality. Let's see if this Lux TTS is able to do a better job with a better quality audio. And it has even taken quicker. So let me play this.
Man goes to the doctor and says, "Doctor, I think I'm a bridge." The doctor replies, "What's come over you?" The man says, "So far, 2 cars and a truck."
Much better. So you see, as the quality of audio improves, the model improves. But with the Quen 3 ones, even the audio which I used before, that gave me very good results. So I think this is where the difference comes through now these days, because these TTS models have evolved a lot. But if you have a good quality audio, you're looking for something very lightweight, maybe this could be a good option. Now, I know that this is not really multilingual, but you know what? Let me try one out. But even before that, let me first quickly explain what is meant by these parameters. So, RMS loudness, this controls the overall volume level of the generated speech. You can set it to 0.01 for standard volume, or you can even adjust lower for quieter output and higher for louder output. This reference duration in seconds is the length of the reference audio clip used for voice cloning. So 5 second sample is typical. I'm not even changing it. T shift adjusts the pitch tone of the generated voice. Any value below 1 make the voice lower deeper, while values above 1 make it higher and brighter. Then we have num steps, which determine how many diffusion steps the model uses to generate speech. Speed controls how fast the speech is generated, where lower values make speech longer and clearer, while higher values speed it up. So you can see that the my setting is 0.8, which means the speech will be slightly slower than normal pace for better clarity, but of course you can adjust it as per your own requirement. Finally, the return smooth. So if you enable it, it applies post processing to smooth out the generated audio and reduce any potential glitches or roughness in the output waveform. So normally if you have a lower quality output, then you can try using it. Okay, so let me upload maybe I know. Okay, so let's go with the polish one. You know, otherwise they get really angry in the comments. So let me also change it to some polish joke. Okay, so this is a polish joke, and um, I have also given some polish audio. So let me first play the original audio.
Kanał Farda jest tak popularny w Polsce. Nie mogą się doczekać, żeby codziennie oglądać jego filmy.
Now, coming back to this joke, I'm sure that my Polish friends have really, they know what it is. Let me translate it in English. Actually, it is quite funny. So, a guy knocks on a psychiatrist's door. The guy says, "Hello, I have a problem. I think I'm a dog." "How long has this been going on?" "Since I was a puppy." Dad joke, but funny. Okay, let's generate the speech. Let's see. I don't think so. It is multilingual, but we might be in for a surprise. Who knows? And there you go. Let's play it.
Tu confesii do DHY Psychiatry calling din dobry. Mem problem. Misal z jestem sem. Jak ty lugo tu tiru oczynioka.
There you go. I think it works. If that works, let's try out a few more languages. Okay, so this is Arabic one. Let me first generate it. And this is my kind of joke. So I will let my Arabic friends tell it. So you see, it couldn't do Arabic. That is interesting, but you know what? We can at least enjoy the joke. Okay, so let's maybe do one more final one. Let's go with the German, because last time we did the French. Okay, so I think I'm having some network issues now. So my network issue was resolved, but you see that it just says no English or Chinese character found. So it is mainly for English and Chinese. So I will stop bothering the model here. Anyway, let me know what do you think about Lux TTS. Again, please like the video and subscribe, and consider becoming a member, as that helps. Thank you for all the support.